How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Remove stretch marks in just few minutes. Get rid of stretch marks super fast. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to remove your stretch marks. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. I use Colgate toothpaste. 1 teaspoon of mint. Let it be mint powder. 3 teaspoons of rose water. 'Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's the time to apply this recipe on your stretch marks. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Then wash it off by warm water. For best results, use this recipe once a week. Finally, I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.